In this video, we are going to create an analogy between the transportation system in houses and the transportation system in human body. We know that in houses, water flows from one point to the other. Similarly, in human body, blood flows from one point to the other. Like there is a need of a system for the transportation of water in houses, there is also a system required for the transportation of blood in human body. In houses, pipes are the passage through which water flows. Likewise, in human body, blood vessels are the passage through which blood flows. Now, here are the pumping system of the organs required in the transportation system. In houses, motor pumps water to different parts of a house. Similarly, in human body, heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. We can see the two organs in a human body between which the transportation is required are lungs and other parts of the body. In the human transportation system, circulation of blood is completed when it passes through both lungs and other body parts. As we know, in the lungs, exchange of gases takes place between alveoli and blood vessels, and in every other organ or part of the body, this oxygen is being used to bring energy out of glucose, carbohydrates, etc. by the process of respiration. Hence, we can say that the blood being transported from lungs to the other body parts carry oxygen and therefore called oxygenated blood, whereas the blood being transported from the body parts to the lungs is called deoxygenated blood. Now, due to bigger size of the body, it is difficult for the blood to regulate continuously in the body. Hence, there is a need of a pumping organ which applies pressure to the blood, which enables the blood to complete the circulation. Since to complete one circulation, blood enters twice in the heart, this is also called double circulation.